Did you notice that the sentiment score for startups just spiked to plus 0.85? That's a significant jump above the historical baseline, indicating a surge in positive sentiment. Coupled with a momentum of plus 0.20, this suggests there's something happening right now that's capturing attention. Our API returns detailed sentiment scores along with semantic clusters, giving you insights into the prevailing themes driving this sentiment. For example, you could use this data to fine-tune your marketing strategies, or pivot your product development based on what's resonating with users. This kind of actionable insight can be the difference between staying ahead of the curve or falling behind. For more details on how to leverage this data, check out pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's turn this sentiment into your next big opportunity.